Hello traders. Welcome to KP Technical. After breakout of trend line with gap up, now stock in higher high formation can go long with stop loss below 4200. Bullish harami candlestick formation at previous resistance and breakout level, and now stock picking momentum can go long with stop loss below 1770. Bullish engulfing near previous long, currently stock trading in zone. Momentum can be seen above 2150, can go long with stop loss below 1850. Stock has given symmetrical triangle breakout, can go long with stop loss below 1870. Breakout of downward sloping trend line with gap, can go long with stop loss below 750. Stock found support at previous buying level, can go long with stop loss below 510. Stock has given breakout, can buy few quantity now and rest quantity near 550 with stop loss below 520. Bullish engulfing at support zone, can go long with stop loss below 475. Buying seen near support zone, can go long with stop loss below 430. For more stock market updates, subscribe KP Technical.